This is my Honda PCX150. Apparently, some of them are PCX125 and they look the same. In any event, I wanted a little cargo carrier or luggage rack, and so I ordered that on Amazon. And when it arrived, it looked like that. The hardware is to the right of the plate, but there was no instructions, so went on YouTube, couldn't find anything, and so I thought, well, how hard can it be? So off I went. So I opened up the trunk lid, found those two plastic buttons, and took a little knife and popped those pins out. There they are sitting in my hand now. So, two holes, two plugs, pull them out, and just grab onto it, pull it out. There it is. 4 places to bolt into. So with the tray out, they had these black spacers. The two in front are shorter than the two in back, so I positioned them over the bolt heads, and then I went and got the bolts. You will note that the two on the bottom are bigger than the two on the top, so I put the shorter ones on the front, and there they are, pretty much hand fit in there. Got all 4 bolts in. This is the metric Allen wrench that I use. It's a 5mm. So once they were bolted down, I took the plastic pins and put them back into their position and pressed them down, and there's the finished product, all set to go.